Let me tell you that I have already received 109 books so far, and I'm waiting if I get any more in the rest of the July, which is like a couple of days. For the month of February, we have so many books, and I really love the whole the whole collection in front of me, because we have a perfect balance of romance, we have a perfect balance of classics, thrillers, and autobiographies. So it's really nice. So I cannot wait to show you. So to begin with, we have a non-fiction book, which is As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. So it's a classic, and I think non-fiction readers here must have read it or must have heard of it. So if you have read it, please let me know how you think about this book, because I have been meaning to read it since forever. So this is the book. I totally love the cover of it, by the way. So that's that. Then we have a book by Bhagat Singh. It's called Why I Am an Atheist. Um, I'm really excited to read it, because I watched a reel where they were saying that Bhagat Singh, during his time in the prison, which was approximately 2 years, he had read like maybe over 100 books, like on various topics, and he also used to write like what he thinks about the book and everything on, like, inside the jail. So for a man who was so well read, I think I am all in for this book. So I'm really excited to read it. Then we have another classic, which is The Secret Garden by Frances Hodgson Burnett. I don't know if I've pronounced it correctly. So this is The Secret Garden. I am in love with the cover. I know that it is a children's book, but yeah, that's that. Then we have a romance novel. Um, so it's called All I Want for Christmas by Maggie Knox. So that is how it looks like. Okay. So I don't know, maybe it's a very cozy romance. I'm really excited to read it. So yeah, that's that. Then we have few books. So I got it from an unhaul, by the way. So then we have another romance novel, which is The Bookbinder's Guide to Love. It's by HarperCollins. I think I requested this book based on this cover. I think it's really amazing. So yeah, that's that. Oops. Then we have a bunch of books that I had received from an unhaul. I bought it from an unhaul. So to begin with, we have The ABC Murders by Agatha Christie. This is how it looks like, and I totally love. I have heard a lot of good things about this book, and I cannot wait to read it. I think I'll read it very soon, very very soon. So yeah, that's that. Then we have an autobiography which had been sitting in my wish list for the past 2 years, and I have finally got my hands on this book. It's called The Autobiography of a Yogi. It's by Paramhansa Yogananda. I'm really sorry. So this is the book. I really love the cover of the book, and I cannot wait to read it, because i have heard I have heard a lot of good things. I have heard so many good things about this book, and so yeah, that's that. Then we have a bunch of books which were on my wish list, so I got them. So this is All the Bright Places. This is the book. I am really excited to read it, because I have been meaning to like buy it for a year or two, but then I got it from the unhaul. So that is the book. Then we have um, Betting on You by Lynn Painter. That's the book. Excited to read it, because someone had recommended me about, like, everything Lynn Painter writes is a good one. So I bought it because of the author. So yeah. Then we have Can You Keep a Secret by Sophie Kinsella. That's the book. That's how it looks like. I think you are not able to see the stars that are there in the book and the cover. It's just too pretty. It's there on the back as well. So that's that. Then for the second last book, I know I'm gonna shock you guys a lot. If you know me personally, you know how much I hate Colleen Hoover. This woman writes really BS things, and I mean, I don't know. I read Ugly Love, and I also read November 9, and that made me traumatized. And I haven't moved on from the trauma that they like gave me. It was so bad, so bad. And now I got to know that I think Ugly Love is gonna be a movie. I don't know how. But I have got this book called Lila by Colleen Hoover. That's the book. I don't know, someone recommended me on Book Talk, so I thought of buying it. So I bought the book. I bought it. I know that maybe it's gonna disappoint me, but I bought it. I bought it so that I can read it, and then I will be disappointed. Then I want to make a YouTube video on it. So I also, by the way, I also bought another book called Heart and Bones by the same author. Um, it's actually later this half of the year. So I have bought that, and I had also bought Verity by Colleen Hoover, I think last year. So I will read these three books, and I'll make sure that I make a YouTube video on it. So this is the sole reason why I bought these books. So okay, and for the final book we have Little Women by Louisa May Alcott. It is one of my favorite now, and this is how it looks like. So I'll just tell you a little story. You can see the annotations that I have made. I have just tabbed it, and honestly, I was never a reader. So I've recently picked up this hobby of reading, I think back in 2019. And many of my friends, actually, most of my friends, which are two, I have two friends. So you know who you are. So they have been telling me, convincing me, trying to convert me into a classic girly, like classics girly. So I have finally picked up a classic. It's Little Women, and I have also started this obsession of getting this edition, this particular edition. It's Penguin Select Classics. These are amazing, and I have read this book, and I think I call myself a lover of classics now, because after that I have bought so many classics books, and I love this book. So if you have read this, please like let me know what you think. I'm up for the discussion, and if you have not, then I think you should definitely give this book a try. So yeah, that's it for today. We have wrapped up with the 2 months, and I've ranted a lot, I know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have watched till this far, let me know what you think about it, and let me know on what topics I can make videos on. I am trying to be a little consistent on YouTube long form. So yeah, I'll be really happy and really glad if you can give me a little feedback. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.